Hello, Kevin.
Con đứng hẳn lên. Ui, con phải đứng hẳn ra đây.
Oh, we thought it's Kevin. Hello. It's
Hello,
Brownie.
teacher.
Hi, Sushi. How are
I'm good.
you? Are you using an iPad or a laptop?
Camera.
Ah, it's your camera. You're placing your camera. Okay. Kevin is here. Okay. Kevin is also here now. But let's wait for Kevin to turn on his camera.
Yes. Teacher.
Sushi, how are you? What's that? Is that a food?
Yeah,
Is that a snack? Is
it's
that a
a
snack?
candy.
It's a
It's a
candy.
candy.
Oh, you brush your teeth after you eat candy, okay?
Yeah.
You brush your teeth all the time.
It's a car.
Let's say hi to Kevin. Oh, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Kevin, hello. Hello to say hello to Sushi. Hello, Sushi. Oh, that is a fan. I know how to do that. I know how to do a fan. What are you drinking? What are you drinking, Kevin?
Orange juice.
Is it the
I'm
juice?
doing orange. Rồi uống đi thì mẹ đưa. Nhanh lên, xong quần áo cũng đợi. Bạn
Okay.
trước.
Let me ask you guys. Sushi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, how about Kevin? Kevin, how are you? How are you today?
Vào tay đây.
You happy?
Chứ không uống thì thôi, học nhanh. Thì là con uống ấy, giờ đây. Thì
Look,
nói chuyện với cô.
Kevin. Kevin, I also made a fan. Is it a fan? But my fan is tiny. Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this, Sushi?
Yes.
Guys, how is the weather? How is the weather there in your country? How is the weather?
It's cold.
It's cold. Oh. Also there, Kevin? Is it cold in your place, Kevin?
No,
Kevin?
it's hot.
Ah, it's hot. Oh. So you are not neighbors, honey? You are not neighbors? You are not neighbors? Yeah. Are you neighbors? Yeah. I know. Okay. Guys, did you go somewhere today? Did you go somewhere today? Me, I went outside and I went to the swimming pool. How about?
It's cold. It's
Oh,
cold.
it's cold.
It's cold. It's cold.
It's cold. Ah, I see. Did you have classes today, Sushi and Kevin? Did you have classes today? Did you go outside? No, no, you did not. You say Sushi, I did not.
I did not.
How about Kevin? Kevin, did you have classes today, Kevin?
Sandy.
Yes. What classes did you have?
I don't know.
Ah, no, you don't. You didn't go outside today, Kevin? No?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Now, guys, are you ready for our class now? Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes, I am.
Kevin, are you ready too?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes, I
Yes. Yes, I am.
Okay, so teacher is now going to share the screen. We are now going to have, hold on. Wait for a while, honey.
What?
Look at Sushi and Kevin. Or
Don't be
hello.
Kevin.
Where's Kevin now? Kevin, look. Look, Kevin, we are in the museum. We are in the museum. I am a painting. Do you want another one? Do you want to try another one? Do you want to try another one? Let's have another one. This.
What?
How about this? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Teacher here. It's Kevin and it's Sushi. Okay, guys, are you ready now, guys, for the class? Let's take picture. Can we take a picture? Let's take a
Yeah.
picture. 3, 2, 1. Kevin, 3, 2, 1. So cute. Very, very cute. Okay, teacher's now going to share the screen, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see teacher's screen now?
There.
Yes.
Purple skirt.
Okay. All right, guys. So last time you already had, you already answered this one, right? You're done answering this one. Okay. But let's have a review. Let's have a review, guys. What's this one again?
Shirt.
Okay.
I
Very
see a
good.
green shirt.
Very good. How about this one?
I see a purple
I see a
dress.
purple.
Okay, very good, guys. How about the other one? What do you see?
I see a pink
shirt.
skirt.
Very good, guys. Next one. What do you see?
I see brown pants.
Very good. I see brown pants. Okay. Next one. What do you see?
I see blue socks.
Very good. Lastly,
I see black shoes.
very good. I see black shoes. Okay, we're done with this one. Okay, let's take turns. Kevin will answer. Kevin will read the first one, and then 2 will be Suchi, and then 3 for Kevin, 4 for Suchi, 5 for Kevin, 6 for Suchi, 7 for Kevin. Okay. Okay, let's start with number 1. Number 1, Kevin.
I have a yellow shirt.
Very
and
good.
green pants.
Okay, let's have Sushi.
I have blue pants and
Green.
green shoes.
Green or gray? It's gray.
Gray.
Yes, it's gray. Okay, next one. Let's have
This
number 3. Let's have
behind the
Kevin.
chair. Behind.
I will see a number 3.
This one, honey. This one. I have purple. This one. You don't see?
I don't see.
You don't see. Okay, how about Sushi? Sushi, can you see number 3? This? Can you see it? No? You can't? You can't, guys? You can't read
No.
this? Oh, no. Okay, teacher's
No.
going to read it. Okay, teacher's going to read it. So this is teacher's turn. I have a purple skirt. I have gray socks. Okay, then let's have Kevin for number 4. Number 4 here.
I see a number 4 too.
You don't see anything? You don't see anything? Okay.
I don't
I
see
will,
number.
okay. I will share my screen again. Okay.
See now.
You can
Yes,
see
I can
now.
see.
Okay. So who wants to read number 4 first? Okay, Sushi. Sushi for number 4, 5 for Kevin. Okay, let's go.
She has red shoes.
Very good. She has red shoes. Next one, let's have number 5. Let's have Kevin. No. Where's for number 5 here? No, honey. Number 4 is this one. This is 1. Number 2 is she has red shoe. Oh, no. For number 2, here. I have blue pants. Okay. All right. I will just encircle everything, okay? Let's just not, yeah. I will just encircle everything. Let's not follow the number because it's confusing you guys. Okay, let's have this. Let's start with Kevin.
I have blue pants and gray shoes.
This is the one that you read. Okay, how about Sushi? This one's Sushi.
I have a yellow shirt and gray pants.
How about Kevin?
I have a green dress.
Let's have Sushi here.
She had red shoes.
Let's have Kevin here.
I have a purple skirt. I have gray socks.
Very good. Let's have Sushi.
She has a red dress.
Kevin.
She has a white shirt.
Teacher. He has green shoes. Okay, that is it, guys. Okay, now let's listen and then say. Okay, we have to listen first, honey, okay? We have to listen first. Okay, let's listen to the audio first and foremost. Okay, here we go.
Page 33.
Can you
C.
hear the sound? Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Listen and say. Then practice.
He's wearing a shirt.
Who wants to read this one? Who wants to read this? Okay, Sushi.
He wearing a shirt.
Okay, he's wearing a shirt. Okay, how about Kevin?
She's wearing a shirt.
Very good.
She's wearing a shirt.
Okay. We have here this one. Wait for a while.
He's. He is. She's. She is.
Okay. So we have here he's. It means.
He is.
Very good.
He
How about
is.
Sushi? Okay, how about this? She's. It means.
She is.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to the next page. Now you have to listen and say, okay? We're going to listen and say, and then we have to practice, okay? You ready? Okay.
Yeah.
A shirt. A dress. A skirt. Pants. Socks. Shoes.
Okay, let's read. Who wants to read first? Sushi.
A shirt.
Okay,
A
Kevin.
dress. A skate. A skirt.
Okay.
A skirt. A pants. A socks. A shoes.
Okay, no, honey. Honey, if there's is at the end of the word, honey, you don't need to put a. Okay? Yeah, just pants, no a. All right? Yeah, if it's socks with s at the end of the word, no a too. So just a shirt. A shirt, honey, it's only one. All right? So it's a shirt. It's a dress, it's only one too. It's a dress. A skirt is only one too. Here, the pants, honey, we call it pants because it's two here. So pants. No pants. Again, say it again. Pants.
Pants,
Socks.
socks,
Shoes.
shoes,
Okay, let's have Kevin. It's Kevin's turn now. All right, Kevin, let's read.
a dress, a skirt, pants, socks, shoes.
Okay, thank you so much, Sushi and Kevin. You have to remember, guys, okay? No 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 if the word has s at the end. Okay? All right. Now, let's have the next page. Let's go to the next page. Now, you're going to listen and say, okay? Let's have the first one.
1,
He's wearing a shirt.
Number 1.
He's wearing a shirt.
Very good. Again, Sushi.
He wearing a shirt.
He's. Honey, he's. Okay. He's wearing a shirt.
Shirt.
Yeah. Or it means, honey, or you can say he is. He is wearing a shirt. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, Kevin. How about Kevin? Can you say it again one more time, honey? What is he wearing? He's
He wearing a shirt.
again.
He wearing a shirt.
Okay. Also, honey, he is or he's wearing a shirt. One more time, Kevin. He's wearing a shirt.
He's wearing a shirt.
Or you can say he is wearing a shirt. Okay?
He
All right.
is wearing a shirt.
Very good. Sushi and Kevin, please read the first one.
He's wearing a shirt.
Very good. The
Shirt.
second one.
He is
He's
wearing a shirt.
Very good. Okay? Not this one is incorrect, okay? He wearing a shirt. This one is incorrect. You have to remember, guys, Kevin and Sushi, this one is correct. This one is wrong. This one is correct, okay? Not he wearing a shirt. Okay, you have to remember that now. Let's have number 2. Let's listen carefully.
2,
She's wearing a dress.
He's wearing a dress.
Okay, let's have Sushi. What is it, Sushi?
She is wearing a dress.
Correct. Kevin?
She wearing a dress.
Okay, honey, Kevin, you have to remember, my dear, it is she is. Okay? She is or she's. Okay? Honey? Again, she's wearing a dress. Can you say that again? Sushi, Kevin?
She's wearing a dress.
Very good, Sushi.
Wearing a dress. She's wearing a dress.
Very good, guys. Kevin and Sushi. Okay, let's have number 3.
3,
She's wearing a skirt.
Okay.
Who wants to say first?
She wearing a skirt.
Correct.
Skirt.
She's wearing a skirt. Again, skirt. Yes. Yes. Okay, Kevin. How about Kevin?
She wearing a skirt.
Honey,
She's.
she's. Yes.
She's.
Okay. She's She's wearing a
She's-
skirt. Okay, Kevin, Sushi, again, say it again. She's
She
wearing a
wearing
skirt.
a skirt.
Very good. Kevin, again.
She wearing a skirt.
Yes, okay. Remember, guys, she's his. She's his. Okay, she is, he is. All right, now let's have number 4.
4.
He's wearing pants.
He wear. He is
He
wearing
wearing-
pants.
Pants.
Again, he is. He
He
is wearing.
wearing pants.
Very
Pants.
good. Again, Kevin, say it again.
He is wearing pants.
He is. He is
He-
wearing pants.
He is wearing pants.
Very good. Sushi,
He is wearing pants.
very good. Great job, guys. Okay, let's have number 5.
5.
He's wearing socks.
He wearing socks.
He's.
He is
He's.
wearing socks.
Okay, Kevin.
He is wearing a shirt.
Huh? 5, honey? This?
He is wearing a socks.
Honey, it's 2. It's 2. Okay, okay. He is wearing a socks. Okay. This should be he is wearing socks. Okay? Okay, Kevin? No, you have to remove the because there we have 2 socks here. It's 1, 2. So no Okay? Again, instead of saying he is wearing socks. Very good. Okay, okay, again, Kevin. This one, my dear.
He is wearing
He is wearing
Socks.
socks.
Very good. One more time in 3, 2, 1.
He is wearing
He
socks.
is wearing socks.
Great. That is it. Okay. Honey, Kevin, Sushi, if okay. Here, for example. Okay, let me give you an example. How many tissue do you see? How many tissue do you see?
I
I see
see.
one tissue.
I
There.
see one t-shirt.
Very good. So you say a tissue. A tissue.
A
A
t-shirt.
tissue.
Because it's only one, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's only one. How about this? How many tissues do you see?
I
See
see
two
two
t-shirts.
tissues.
Can we say a tissues? Is it correct or wrong? A tissues. I have 2 a tissues. Is it correct? No. It's not a tissues. It's 2 tissues or tissues. Okay? No Again, what is this? What is this?
A
Only one?
tissue.
A tissue.
T-shirt.
Yes, a tissue. It's only one. So you add a tissue. So it's 2. It's 2.
I
Two
see
tissues.
tissues.
Yes, that is it. Okay. All right. Let's go back now. Okay, again, honey. How many socks do you see here? How many socks is the boy wearing?
I see
There.
2 socks.
Very good. Okay, he is wearing
2 socks.
or he is wearing socks.
He
is
is
wearing-
wearing socks.
Very good. Okay, let's have number 6, guys. Let's go to number 6.
6.
She's wearing shoes.
He wearing shoes.
Is it a
She
he or a she?
is wearing shoes.
Again, Sushi?
She is wearing shoes.
Very good. Perfect. How about Kevin?
She is wearing shoes.
Very good. Perfect, guys. Yay! Okay, great. Okay, one more time. One more time. No audio already. You try to remember what they're wearing, okay? First one, what is he wearing?
He wearing
He is
a shirt.
wearing a shirt.
Very good. Kevin, remember he is. He is wearing a shirt. Again, one more time.
He
He
is
is
wearing a shirt.
Wearing a shirt.
Perfect. How about the other one? What is she wearing?
She is wearing a dress.
Kevin,
She wearing a dress.
she is wearing a dress.
Wearing a dress.
Very good. Okay, 3. What is she wearing?
She is
wearing
wearing a
skirt.
skate.
Skirt.
Skirt.
One more time. One more time.
She is
He's
wearing
wearing
a
a
shirt.
skirt.
Skirt. Okay, very good. Perfect. Next one. What is he wearing?
He is wearing
Wearing
a
a
pants.
Honey, no ah. No ah. No ah. Because it's pants with S. So, he is wearing pants. No ah. Again, one more time.
He is
He
wearing pants.
wearing pants.
Very good. Perfect. Okay, how about 5?
He is
He
wearing
is wearing socks.
Perfect. Great job. Number 6.
She
He
is
is
wearing
wearing
shoes.
Very good. Again, one more time.
She is wearing shoes.
You are so smart, guys, Kevin and Sushi. Teacher's very proud of you. You just need to remember, okay, if it's 2 things, you see 2 or more things, honey. If you see many, many things, you don't add to the sentence, okay? You don't add If it's only 1, it's you add For example, this one, a tissue. It's only 1, so it's a tissue. Okay? If it's 2 already, it's tissues. Tissues. Okay? All right. Now, do you want to read this?
Wearing a
No.
shirt.
Okay.
He
Okay. 2. Kevin.
is wearing a dress.
3. Sushi.
She's wearing a skirt.
Kevin.
He's wearing a pants.
Again.
He is wearing pants.
Very good. Sushi.
He's wearing socks.
Kevin.
He's wearing shoes.
Very good. Okay. Okay, now let's have this one again. We are going to listen again, okay? We are going to listen again. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Page 33. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's he wearing?
He's wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
What's she wearing?
Okay, let's have this one. What's he wearing? What's he wearing?
What's he wearing?
He's wearing
He's wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
Very good. Okay, now how about the other one? Let's listen to the other one.
Wearing.
She's wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
Okay, Kevin. She's
wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
she's She's wearing.
She's
Wearing.
wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
Pants. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kevin. Sushi.
What's? What is?
Okay, what means?
What?
It means
What is?
very good. Like if here, for example, what's he wearing? You can also say, what is he wearing? Okay, what's he
What
wearing?
is he wearing?
Yes, Sushi. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. You're going to listen, okay? You're going to
Yes.
listen and then answer. Okay, you will take turns, okay? Who want to answer number one? Who wants to answer number one? Okay, this will be Suchi. Number 2 is for Kevin, okay? All right?
Yes.
Number 3 is for Suchi. Number 4 is for Kevin. Okay, let's take turns.
1.
What's he wearing?
What's he wearing, honey? Suchi.
He is wearing white shirt and gray pants.
Okay, let's hear if you got the right answer.
He's wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
Wow, very good. Okay, now it's Kevin's turn. Let's have number 2.
She's wearing a
What's she wearing?
What's she wearing?
she's wearing a yellow shirt and a blue dress.
Okay, let's hear.
She's wearing a yellow shirt and a blue skirt.
A blue skirt, honey. Okay, one more time. She's wearing a yellow shirt and a blue skirt. One more time. She's
wearing a yellow shirt and a blue skirt.
very good. Perfect. Okay, let's have number 3 for Suchi. Let's have number 3, honey.
3.
He is
What's he wearing?
She is wearing. I'm sorry.
He is wearing orange shirt and green pants.
Okay, let's hear. Let's check.
He's wearing green pants and black socks.
It's the pants, honey. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. He is wearing green pants and black socks. Can you say it again one more time, Sushi? He's wearing
He is wearing
green
green pants,
and
black socks.
very good. Okay, let's have Kevin. Let's have Kevin, honey.
She's wearing a
Wearing
brown shirt and a brown dress.
Let's see. Again, one more time. Can we hear your answer again one more time, Kevin? Say it again.
She's wearing a
Brown.
brown shirt and a brown dress.
Okay, let's check your answer, honey. Let's hear.
She's wearing a brown dress and black shoes.
Honey, she's wearing a brown dress and black shoes. Can you say it again one more time?
She's wearing a brown dress and a black shoes.
Very good. And black shoes. Thank you so much, guys. So that is it. All right, here, let's answer this one. What's he wearing? What is he wearing? A,
White
B,
shirt
or
and
C?
A.
A, what's, okay. Very good. White. Okay, he's wearing.
He he's wearing white shirt and gray pants.
Very good. Okay, next. What's she wearing?
She wearing a bee.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
See.
See. Okay, please read. She's wearing.
She is wearing yellow shirt and blue
A blue skirt.
and a blue skirt.
Very good. Okay, next. Next. Okay, A, B, or C?
I
It's B. Please read. He's wearing.
He wearing
green pants and black socks.
Great. Okay, next. What is she wearing?
See.
Yeah. Read.
She wearing a brown
She
dress.
wearing a brown dress and black socks.
Very good.
Black shoes.
Okay. All right. Let's have this one. Let's have this one. Not yet. What is she wearing? Let's have Kevin. What is she wearing, Kevin?
She wearing a pink shirt and a purple dress.
Very good. How about Sushi?
Purple dress.
What is he wearing? He's wearing.
He wearing. He is wearing orange shirt and blue pants.
Okay, very good. How about this? Kevin, what is she wearing?
She wearing a red dress skirt and a red dress and a red
And
shirt.
red shoes. No honey, because it's two shoes. Okay, it's two. So no So shoes. Okay, next. Sushi. This one, Sushi. What's she wearing?
She is wearing white shirt and yellow skirt.
Okay, honey, you cannot mix up she is and she's. Okay, you can say she is wearing or she's wearing. Okay, one more
Yes.
time. Okay, Kevin, Sushi, say
is wearing
she's
white
wearing.
shirt and yellow skirt.
Okay, that is it, guys. Okay, anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore. So next time, I will give you a homework today, okay? You will be making a video. So, guys, did you enjoy the class? Did you enjoy the class, guys?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Oh, all right. Anyway, honey, you did so well today, Sushi and Kevin. You're both very smart, and thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much. Teacher's going to say goodbye now. Bye-bye.
Bye.